Hey folks, how you doing and welcome to day 96 of the 1000 Day Challenge for Crohn's and Colitis. And today, we're with the stars, whether they be dead or alive. We're just hanging around here and we're going to have a really good time. So why don't you stick with us and see who we're going to catch up to next time. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Crunching with Dr. Albert Crohn and Naomi Campbell. Crunching with Gala, the flower. Crunching with Brad Pitt. Crunching with this guy. He's been doing better than me. Crunching with Elvis Presley. Oh, mama, mama, mama. Crunching with Sidney Crosby. Hey! Wah. Crunching with the Queen of England. Crunching with Nelson Mandela, man. Crunching with the guy who made this. Ah, yeah.
Crunching with partial ligands. Ugh.
Crunching with Lady Gala. Crunching with Michael Jackson.
Boy, did they do a good job at Crohn and Colitis.
Crunching keys with Elton John. And that's the way you do it, folks. When you crunch after the Crohn's and Colitis Gala at the Grab and Wax Museum, you crunch it, you record it, you post it. We're driving right now, so I'm not really looking at you. You nominate and you donate, and you get famous people to crunch with you. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye from the car. Good night.